So we're processing the Chardonnay today. Look at that beautiful hand-picked fruit, all going up in the elevator. So Nathan can chuck it in at waist level. We used to have to lift it a lot higher. But look at this elevator. We think this is very cool. So you can pull out debris. It goes really slowly and gently. So for example, if you've got a leaf there, you can pull it out. You can hand sort the fruit as it goes up. It goes right up to the top and then goes into the crusher, which is looking quite full. So that will all get crushed. All that fruit's going through. So it's come out of the elevator. Now it's going into the hopper. And then down here, the guts of the machine will crush and stem it, and then it goes down here into the pump. So this is a new pump. You can see all the juice coming out. Well, not juice, it's must really. It's a mixture of, it's a slurry, so a mixture of skins, pips, flesh, juice of the grapes. And then that all gets pumped through that great big hose there, all the way through to the wine press. And here are all the stems, so you might think we're not doing anything, but here we are. There's a 1 ton bit of stems. So that slurry, so from the elevator into the crusher, the hopper, then from the hopper, that's the whole bunch is in there, and down to through the machine, crush and stem it, then into the pump where it becomes a slurry or must, mixture of skins, pips, juice and flesh. Then here into this pump, then pump through this hose, all the way through to the wine press. So here's the wine press there, and that is squeezing all the grapes. So in the middle is an airbag, so very slowly and gently it will inflate and squeeze. And we can see the juice. It's actually remarkably full here. Just it's a small part, so we've got only a little bit of air getting into our beautiful new juice.